Hey everyone, this is Carl with Stonehouse Foundation Repair. We're here in San Antonio at another property we're working on. I wanted to talk a little bit about concrete when it butts up to your foundation and things that you can watch for to make sure you're taking care of so it doesn't cause problems. So if you look at this concrete, at one point, this concrete actually butted up against the house. This is a sidewalk on the side of the home. This concrete used to butt up here. Well, over time, this concrete has settled and fallen and pulled away because it wasn't tied into the foundation correctly. So now you have at least an inch gap between the house and that concrete. So every time it rains, that water, the run off of the rainwater that comes off the roof or just the fall of the rain on this wall, that water is all going down underneath the slab now. The problem is there's really no way to dry that out, right? So once that water gets in there, it sits and sits and sits and it just seeps down deeper and deeper. And then when it rains again, it's a continuation. So this side of the home is actually falling about 3 inches, and most of it I can tell you is gonna be due because of that. But that's something you can watch for. They do sell a foam that you can put down in there, and then a self-leveling sealant that's actually flexible so it can move. That's what you want. You don't want to put concrete between there to seal it. You want something that has polymers and can flex because this concrete here is going to continue moving. So that's something you can watch for and take preventative measures to make sure you don't have foundation issues.